Welcome to the meditation to meet your animal guide and your spirit guide. Sit comfortably with your feet on the floor, your arms on your lap with your palms facing upwards. Concentrate on your breathing. We're going to do a few breathing exercises here. We're going to go in for 5, hold, and out for 5. So when we breathe in, we're going through our nose and out through the mouth. So join me. In 2, 3, 4, 5, hold. Out 2, 3, 4, 5. In 2, 3, 4, 5, hold. Out 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, in 2, 3, 4, 5, hold. Out 2, 3, 4, 5. And final time, in 2, 3, 4, 5, hold. Out 2, 3, 4, 5. I want you now to take the focus to your feet. Imagine you have roots coming out of the bottom of them that extend down through the surface of the floor and deep down through Mother Earth. Those roots keep going and going until you visualize a bright, beautiful crystal giving off enormous light. The colour of this crystal will be different for each and every one of you. Remember the colour. This colour is the colour you need at this moment in your life. Anchor your roots around the crystal, holding it tightly so that you can feel the energy vibrating. Pull the light from the crystal up through your roots, all the way to the soles of your feet. This light is the energy. Spread the light around your toes and your ankles. Draw the light up to your legs, right to your knees, up to your thighs, and then into the base of your spine. Allow the light to spread around the pelvic area. Draw the light up to your stomach, up to your chest, and out to your shoulders. Draw the light down your arms, to your wrists, to your hands and your fingers. Spread the light everywhere, in every bone in your body. Pull the energy of the light up around your neck to your jawline, your cheeks, nose, your ears, the backs of your eyes, all the way to the top of your head. When you are at the highest point, this is known as the crown. Allow the light to burst out of the crown and visualize that this light turns into an umbrella above your head, protecting you. This is your connection to spirit. You have raised your vibrations, and the spirits have lowered theirs, meeting you in a midway point. Imagine that the umbrella changes shape and that the light expands around you, top to bottom, front, back and sides, like a bubble surrounding you. This moment, you are surrounded by the light and protected by your guides. No harm will come to you. This is your safe zone, your sacred place. Just feel at peace whenever you are connected to the spirit world. You should now feel calm. Maybe you've noticed that your breathing has turned shallow. You may now be seeing lots of different colours around your body. All different beautiful, colourful lights swirling around. Allow them to combine with yours. This beautiful, colourful light is the energy of your spirit guide. Should your mind wander off on what you're going to cook for tea or what you need to put on your shopping list, immediately bring your focus back to your breathing and those thoughts will disappear. Become aware of your throat area, your ears, and bring your attention to in between your eyes. This area is known as the third eye. You begin to see a flash of different colours, green, turquoise, blue, indigo, all swirling around at this point. Then the colours suddenly turn into a bright white light that looks very similar to a path being opened up. Start to walk that beautiful white path. Within minutes, you will be joined by your animal spirit guide. Do not be afraid. This is your animal guide for this journey. Animal guides can change. They come and go depending on what you need at that moment in time. Your animal guide will have a message for you, for your own personal growth. I will leave you here for a few moments for you to receive that message. Begin walking together side by side along the path. Notice the nature surrounding you, the trees, the flowers, the shrubs and the plants. The colours are vibrant and eye-catching. Allow them to heighten your senses. You notice in the distance smoke rising and feel naturally drawn to follow that route. Continue along the path, heading in that direction. The pathway begins to rise slightly. Do not worry, you are safe. You notice along the side of you, the rabbits are bouncing and the birds are tweeting merrily. The feeling is beautiful. You come to the end of the pathway where you find an old wooden gate. This is where your animal guide will leave you for now. You open the gate And on the other side are even more fields of beauty. You see a small bonfire in the distance. You notice that someone is sat not far from there on a wooden log. You continue to walk towards them and then realize the person is familiar to you. This is your spirit guide. Sit alongside them on the wooden log and feel how strong their energy is. I will leave you here for a while to have a chat. Ask them any questions that you would like to know the answer to, and I will be back here shortly to collect you. It is time to say goodbye to your spirit guide. Thank them for meeting with you. Trust that they have your very best interest at heart and will always be working for you for your highest good. Say your goodbyes and turn around and follow the path back towards the wooden gate. As you open the gate, your animal guide is there to meet you. You feel overwhelmed that you have taken this journey, and you feel a sense of calmness that you've never felt before, deep inside you. Your mind is focused purely on the energy you are feeling. Whilst you walk the path together, you can feel the energy of your animal guide, and you sense how different it was to your spirit guide. Ahead, you see the light. This is where you will be leaving your animal guide. Thank them for walking with you on your new journey, and feel comforted by their presence, knowing that they will always be there to protect you. When you're ready, walk through the light, and you will find yourself back in the room where we first started. Focus on the crystal deep down in Mother Earth, where your roots are clasped around it. Release the crystal with your roots and retract your roots up through Mother Earth, up until they come back into the soles of your feet. You will remain in the bubble of light until you ask for it to be removed. Sit there just for a moment. Start to become aware of your surroundings. Move your feet, move your arms, and bring your mind back into the room. When you are ready, open your eyes. The background meditation music was by Mandalas Neil H.